It's really sad we have to take it down.
Chimneys are great when they're on the outside of your house, but what do you do when they're on the inside and you want to get rid of them? And worse, what if they're made of brick and cinder block and natural stone? In this video, we're going to show you how we took a ridiculously large chimney out of the middle of a house so that we could create an open concept.
But unfortunately, massive fireplace, because it runs in at least 4 rooms. It also goes upstairs, it goes downstairs. You can't see any of your guests because of the fireplace in the middle of it. And then what's the process of taking this thing out? What are we doing?
One stone at a time. We'll start at the top, and the chimney protrudes from the roof about 2 feet, so we'll take the bricks off that, cover up the hole in the roof, then go to the 4th floor, which is a finished attic space, and we'll remove it's basically cinder block from this point, from what we see here, up.
Okay, that's gonna be cinder blocks all the way. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll remove all cinder blocks from basically the roof level to here.
Well, let's see. This morning we're pretty high up. You actually got to take the chimney down from up there.
Right. Right. After doing the outside chimney top, we got as much as we could.
Which you lived through.
Yes, yes. Thanks to your roping me in. But this is the chimney.
So we're in the attic level of the house now.
Yeah. From here, there's 3 cinder blocks up to get to the top.
Here's a shot down the chimney. You don't see this every day. Well, first off, up there is daylight, and then all the way down in there is the bottom of our chimney into our fireplace. I'm currently in the chimney on top of the roof. That is the hole I could fall into.
If you were a ballerina.
And what's kind of cool up here is the top of the roof. Well, here's some of the debris from the fireplace on the bedroom level. This is a shot of our 2 fireplace flues. The one on the right goes all the way to the basement. The one on the left just goes down to the main level. Well, that's it for the brick side. So Dave is reclaiming some of the bricks for another project. Well, Dave's daughter Courtney is working for us a little bit in the summer, and she said, if you guys make a mess today, leave a mess for me. So I think we're going to leave this mess for Courtney to clean up. We have the stone off of the first floor fireplace, and this is all of it. All right, well, there's the fireplace with all of the stone removed from it on that side. There's the same fireplace with all of the brick removed from this side. A new day dawns at the lake house. Here we are again. We've had a little bit of rest, so I guess we're anxious to start tearing down another level of the chimney. It's difficult to sledge it, and then hauling all the debris away is pretty nightmarish. But
you can hear it in your voice.
yeah. So, but then again, having so many different levels of stairs doesn't help anything. So anyway, we've already gotten the chimney off the roof. We got it out of the attic level, out of the bedroom level. Today is a very exciting day because we believe we're going to get at least this much down. So you've made a couple of temporary walls here. There's one on this side, and then also there's another one on this side. And we did have a structural engineer come out and told us what we needed to do so our house would neither sag nor fall on us while we were taking this thing down, because that'd be a real drag if the whole thing just kind of fell. But then, you know, there was some talk about just, there's so many things wrong with this house, do we just knock the whole thing down? So I guess if the whole thing falls, then the decision's made for us, and hopefully we'll be able to get out before we get crushed.
Going. That was spooky.
Okay, it's been a bit of a struggle, but Dave and I took on the fireplace, and I would say that we won. So we've taken out 3 out of 4 levels of this fireplace. There's all the way to the roof. Once we get our beams, we're gonna take down these temporary walls, and then this will all be one nice open space. All right, let's watch Dave in action. Let's see where the Dave is going. Oh, he's coming over here. There's our stash of cinder blocks. Rather large dumpster, the biggest one they have. And this is how much we filled up so far. This is what we've been doing all day long. So those are, Dave has filled up 2 buckets. It was actually more painful when we were working on the bedroom level and the attic level, because we had to walk down all the stairs. So now we're on the attic level, and this is Dave getting rid of some of our debris. And it's going down. Tomorrow morning, it looks like the last part of our chimney is going to be removed. We were just taking the mantles off here, and we found a note that was left from the original owner. You can pull it all the way off. It was moved in April 1981, so 35 years ago. We finally have all of our temporary walls up. The basement level of the chimney is our last part of it to demo. It's like we put him in jail. He's all surrounded by temporary walls. This is what it looks like from overhead, the fireplace that we're removing. On the outside of the cinder blocks was a brick wall that we took down first. It was the exterior of the fireplace, and then inside of that is an entire ring of cinder blocks, and within that ring of cinder block are more layers of brick that on the lower level are working as the flues, and they get all filled up with all the debris as we're taking this thing down. So it basically just goes layer by layer. We fill up the buckets and throw them away. Upstairs, that inside flue was made of terracotta. It was really pretty strong, all the different layers together. I mean, you have to knock them out one at a time. Okay, so Dave's way up there, and he's dropping the tape measure, and let's see where we're at.
You gotta add 2 feet to that number.
Okay, so there's 39.5 feet right there, and then we also removed 2 feet from the top of the roof, so 41.5 feet of chimney was removed from this house. And it was quite an undertaking. Here's the opening to the roof when we removed the chimney. And we're in the attic level right now. I'm gonna drop this board to illustrate how far it is down below. So we'll be happy to get these covered back up.
Yeah.
So far nobody has fallen. This house has never had an open look, ever. And let's see how our new beam is working. There it is, look at that thing. That is bearing some weight. All right, check it out. For the first time ever. What'd you say the dimensions of it are now? It's some crazy.
27 by 19.
And that wouldn't even include this
It
whole
doesn't include that
kitchen area.
Hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. See you next time.